Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are everybody? Yes, as you can see in the topic, you can earn minimum $10 every 60 minutes. It is totally possible, and this is a low cap, free to earn game. No financial advice. I see some potential in this because of those people backing this newly launched game. That's why I wanted to show you guys. As I said, no financial advice. I never always recommend this, that, and stuff. But I see, I'm going to show you a chart which will really help you think how these guys are growing up. Because this is a completely newly launched one. Lots of risk is there involved. As whenever I show you a low cap gem, there's a lots of risk involved. But let me show you that one. If you're into crypto space and if you're into gaming, you're going to love this one. Anyway, if this is the first time watching, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will help me to grow my channel. I totally appreciate your support. Without wasting time, let me show you the chart, what I'm talking about. Here we go. So what is this chart here? Mainly, since I'm going to talk about this free to earn game, I want to tell you about this here. Blockchain games with the most engaging social communities. You know, hundreds and hundreds of games are getting launched, and with the metaverse hype, everybody want to make money. There's two ways to make money. One is buying the coin and then hodling or trading, those ways. Other thing is to play the game. I'm not an expert in playing, but I'm telling you, if you're somebody watching this who want to play the game and earn, it's up to you as well. Or if you want to trade the coin, it's up to you as well. So this one, if you see this list, if you're in crypto, you'll know about Axie Infinity. I no need to tell about that. This is like the top of the blockchain games. And the community, if you see this chart here, shows about the engagement. That is how much engagement is there. If we talk about the Asia alone, mainly Philippines, the people who are jobless are making a lot of money, $10, $20, $30 per hour, like per day, like monthly, at least $500 to $1,000 they're able to earn. As a part-time, they're doing work and they're able to earn money. This is like proven. It's there, and there are people who are open something called a scholarship, because people like somebody who don't want to play, they make others to play for them and they share the commission. This is how it is boom, it's gone like to the next level. Axie Infinity, I don't need to tell. All others, I'm not going to talk. Today I'm going to talk about one game which is like lowest of lowest, and it was only launched last end of November. That's the reason I'm just going to show you the coin and about the coin, about that company and who is behind them. And I'm just told you the potential of this game. Although I showed you in the title like how much is potential, because I know this is similar to other games which is in the same list. I'm sure you can easily get that money. That's the reason I'm telling you. Here we go. The game name is Thetan Arena. It is at the last. You can see this 524,000 engagement. It was only launched this November, end of last week, end of November. Thetan Arena. This is the game. This is the game I want to talk about. If we talk about Axie Infinity, you need to buy Axies like $200, $300, $400 before in order to start playing the game. But with Thetan Arena, it is already capped, it has been like promoted only as free to earn. Of course, you might end up buying other things. I'll show you now inside. But when you to start playing without even buying those things, you can start making money. Of course, the levels are what I did is I made my son to play. Okay, so he was able to earn like 20 of those coins. That is like around $4 to $5. But I did not withdraw the cash. But I'm saying he was able to get 20 of those coins. Which equal to like $4 $5. So that's what I wanted to show you. Then after that, I thought I should do a video on this and let you guys know people who are good at gaming can make money with this. And when I came across this chart, I understood that how much this is growing. Soon this might come to the top of this table. That's the reason I wanted to do this video. Let's jump onto the video straight away. To the page just to show you two coins are involved. One is the main coin of that TTHG, which is called Thetan Arena. This coin here, you can see this. It's like, see this engage watch list, 847,000 people in the watch list. Okay, cool. Anyway, so this is like, it was up like a lot. See this, I think it was up to 21. It has gone down now within this month because of this correction. And there's another coin which is what you will earn inside the game, which is called Titan coin, which is like, if you see, it has gone up. It was within a month, the last month, I think due to the hype of the launch, it was like almost zero point 0.9 or $1, and now it is down 0.21. This is the coin you will be earning inside the game. And let me go into the website. This is the main thing I want to show you. This is what it looks like, Titan Arena. The reason why it caught my eye is Axie Infinity has gone to the next level, but people can't afford to buy the Axies to play. But these guys, what they've done is something called, this is like, Brawl Stars. If you know about my younger son, he used to play the Brawl Stars, a game. Similar to that, you need to like fight with other people and also join as a team and fight. That's similar to that. I'm just going to show you this one here. See this one. This is how it is. These are all the ones which you'll be able to buy in the marketplace. But even without buying, you'll be able to get your first 3 avatars like these. You'll be able to use them and play. And once you want, these are all like have rarity. When you start playing, you can start buying, and then you can improve go to the next level. My son, he played for 2 hours only, like 2-3 days he was playing. He was able to only go to the level 1. Level 2 he was not able to pass. He was able to, he was keep on failing it on the second level. But he was able to earn like 20 of them on the first day. Or like it took 2 days actually. He just played 1 hour each day. So he was able to get like 20 coins of them. Anyway, so the reason why I want to tell is this is how they have started. They have put together this package. Like, you'll be able free to earn, and you'll be going through like, the special events. They'll have battle pass, ranking rewards, quest, guild war, tournament. And this is what you earn, Titan coin. That's the value which I showed you. And you will be able to exchange it, trade it, and Titan box. Basically, this is like a marketplace where you'll be able to go buy those box, where you'll get more and more avatars, and you'll be able to get more skins as well, and you can trade. Those things are there. That's like, if you go into the marketplace, you'll come to know. You can go check this one, titanarena.com. Okay, so let me show you the most important thing. See, this is the 2 options. One I told you, right, free to earn, you're going to get the Titan gem. This is like after more and more levels you cross, you'll be able to get this one. That's what my son was telling. He was not able to cross that, but he was seeing the level. Yeah, more and more, like when he loses, what happens is that the level of the bar level is going down. So that is how they have done in such a way that you have to keep increasing in your levels in order to get more money. That's how they've done that, like Titan coins. Anyway, so that's the reason is why it really attracted me is, one is the free to earn. The second is, of course, the team I see, and this is what my eyes this guy. I always told you, Animoca Brands, one of my favorite. Like not favorite, whenever I choose any of those games to invest, I see these guys have been like behind most of the favorite games. That's the reason I always look into the investors who's behind it, and they are very good partnership. And I feel this should really come above the chart which I showed you, and they should improve because they just launched and the market is also in the correction, and people are already engaging it. Because buying the coin and making money is a one style. As I said, if you're good at playing, you can always play this game and make money. I feel a big potential in this game, and I feel like there's a good chance that you can improve. Like if you're playing well, you can go through these levels and you can earn. Because my son was able to get that 20 coins. Yeah, that's something I want to tell you. In that, if you go and read those white paper, they said you will be able to withdraw the cash only after the 12th or the 14th day from the time you join. So that's something they are like particular, because reason is they don't want just people to play 1 day, 2 day and go away, right? So they want you guys to play like like a few days, and like at least if you want to withdraw only after the 12th day, they'll be able to withdraw. I want to try with my son's. I downloaded in his phone. Let's see whether be able to withdraw that 13 coins. Let me check. I want to check that one actually. I told him to play, but he has the exams going on now, so I didn't really push him so much. Anyway, so I saw this big potential on this game, and the most important is free to earn, and these guys behind this game backing up. So that's why I thought I never do a single. I always give you like 4 to 5 coins to choose from. But this is something I found there's a big potential. And I feel like many people who are crazy in Axie Infinity, and they are having a full-time job earning like $500 to $1,000 per month. I feel minimum at least $5, $10, $20 per at least 2 hours per day. I'm sure if you're good at game, you can earn this. There's solid. I feel like, of course, I don't know how much good, like, I don't know how when they cross the second or third level how it is going to be. It might be tougher and tougher, I think, but they have a good option. Like, you can join all your friends together, make a team, same like the Brawl Stars idea I think they have done, and you will be able to win battles. That's it, guys. I just want to show you this golden gem. I feel there's a good potential with this coin, and I think on this list of games, my favorites are there a lot. Of course, Axie Infinity, Binomon, Engine Coin, Titan Arena. But this is like a recently launched one, and this is like, as I said, low cap gem. Even if you see the market cap is very low, and I feel they have a very, very good potential of coming up. You can see this one. I'm sure they have a very good potential of going to that, increasing in the table. And this is what I love it. I love these guys are Animoca brands are behind them. I'm sure they will push this. This is on Binance Smart Chain actually. There's a good chance. Of course, I will be trading coins, okay? That's why. But I want to test my test with my son whether he can play and win some, whether it is possible. So I can tell you guys whether it is possible or not to earn money. But I can see it when he was able to play for 2 hours. He was able to get that 20 coins, but he was not able to cross the second level. It might be it is getting tougher and tough. Anyway, if you are good at gaming, play the game and try to earn the money. If you know somebody who are good at playing games, tell them to test it out. If people who are jobless, who don't know what to do, how to earn like $10, $20 per day, even, I don't know, if you spend more entire day, you can earn more. But I'm sure it'll be tough initially when you start playing it. But once you keep playing, you'll be able to make money out of it. I feel a very good chance of making more money with this. Even with this coin, I feel this is really low in terms of as I see this in 1 month. Might be due to that launch hype. It has reached the $1.9. I'm sure I want to see how it's gonna go up. Might be I can get some coin and might be trading these coins, I think. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, guys, I just want to give you this low cap game, play to earn. Like I would say, free to earn, free to play, and free to earn to start with. Of course, you might have to buy more avatars and this marketplace mystery boxes in order to improve your skills, because more and more you change, get that next level avatars, you will be able to win more levels. That's how they normally do in any of the games. That's the reason they made it free to earn. But of course, when you start playing, I'm sure you'll be able to buy those the rare avatars, and then you can improve your game. That's it, guys. I don't want to take your time. The very good potential with this Titan Arena, I feel, and it is a low cap gem. You can always go check it out. I think it is in which I think they have launched in Gate.io. See, it's not even on the main exchanges. It was in Pancake only until it was last, I think, 1 month ago they have launched in Gate.io. So there's a good potential. If this is going to come to KuCoin, Binance, imagine the price will just go to the moon. That's it, guys. I just want to tell you about this new coin, which is not new. Actually, it was launched, but the game was launched last in the November. So this game has a big potential, and I'm sure you'll be able to make more money with this one. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please like and share. It will help me to grow my channel. I totally appreciate support, and all those links which is in my description, it's all affiliate links. I do get a small commission when you click through that link. I appreciate total support. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.